Hi everyone. So today is May 11th, another week, and it's the day 6 of 100K in 100 days trading challenge. Today we did trade in Bajaj Financial Services and Reliance. We started the trade somewhere around 11 o'clock. We did a short selling of 25 quantities and then another 10 quantities. So if you see from the usual days, we have done a bit more lesser quantities today comparatively. So we did short selling, and then in 30 minutes we finished the trade. We did a short selling at 4653, and then we brought it at 4629, and then we brought 30 quantities of Reliance at 1590 and sold it at 1592. Still another short trade. Uh, and then at 246 we did another 30 quantities again of Bajaj Financial Services. So the overall profit for today was at 1880. If you see the Bajaj Financial Services, it opened at 4687. The highest price for today is at 4717 and the lowest price is at 4540, and the closing price for today is at 4558. So the total profit that we have made is 1817 from Bajaj Financial Services and 63 rupees from Reliance. So the reason I did very few quantities today was I was not really sure of the market in the beginning, and also I had to concentrate on other things. So usually when I do other things, I uh, don't trade higher quantities with the stock market because when you do trading, you need to pay your complete attention to the trades that you're doing. So since I was unable to pay my 100 percentage to the intraday, I decided not to do bigger trades for today. So the market was finished at 9,239. So it was a bearish trend the whole day. It started somewhere around 9,300 and then went up till 9,400 and then came back by evening at 9,239. So from uh, from the last few days of trade, if you see, we had made 11,616 rupee, and today is at 1,880. So adding them both, we are at 13,496 rupees profit right now, and it's the day 6 of 100K in 100 days trading challenge. And if there is anything, feel free to comment below, and have a nice day. Bye.